So till now you have learned that both the children were worried about the appearance of Mr. What is the name of the character about whom they were worried and they were thinking about?
Mr. Nath.
Mr. Nath. Okay. And so now you can see. So to
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now 7 said, perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. The girl said that it is possible that the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, usko bahar nikalne ke liye. And 7 was looking unsure. Okay. So on the Monday following Mama's birthday, 7 went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon as I was spending the evening with a school friend. When they returned, Nishad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath and I felt so most annoyed that I hadn't been there. So they were saying, means Maya is saying that the next Monday, it was their mama's birthday, and 7 went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon, okay? As she had to spend her evening with a school friend. And when they returned, then means 7 and his mother, when they returned from the clinic, Nishad told her that he had been to see Mr. Nath, and now she felt very much annoyed that he means she hadn't been there. Getting my point? When he returned from his mama's clinic, he told her that he had been to see Mr. Nath, and it made Maya very annoyed. Now, 7 had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance and was sure that he was starving. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." 7 was also very much upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt, means not very good or sickly appearance, and he was very much sure that he was starving. Starving means, as I told you yesterday, the one who doesn't get a nutritious diet. And he told her that he had knocked the door of Mr. Nath loudly and said, asked Mr. Nath to open the door quickly. The man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" Then at once this man opened the door and asked the child that if he had lost his marble. Marble जानते हो? What is marble? Isabella?
Yes, ma'am.
What is marble?
Ma'am, these are small glass balls which are used for playing.
Yes, which are used for playing. Small glass balls which are used to play. Kanche. Okay. So as the man had opened the door and asked him, "Lost another marble?" He had obviously recognized my brother. So Maya was surprised that he had recognized her brother. "No," said Nishad, he had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. Nishad said, "No, I hadn't lost any marble." And he had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. So he said that he was provided with a bar of chocolate. Then Maya asked, "Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk, Seven?" Then she asked him that if he had got any chance to peek into. Peek means to look quickly and secretively. चुपके से झांकना. So she asked him that if he had got any chance to look into his box. Nishad looked disappointed. "He didn't even ask me in," he said. Then he smiled, "But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him." Then Ramesh replied, though he was quite disappointed. Okay? Though he was quite disappointed, but he said that he didn't let him in, but he went to the restaurant downstairs where Ramesh works, and a person named Ramesh worked over there in a restaurant and talked to him. Okay. "Good for you, Mr. Detective," I said, patting him on the back. "I hope you questioned him properly." So Maya petted him and motivated him by saying, "Oh, pet means peet thap thapana," petted him. So Maya petted him on the back and asked him that you had done, means he had done a good job, and she hoped that he had prepared some good questions for him. Okay? Seven looked pleased. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening, and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. It's always the same food: 2 chapatis, some dal, and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. So Seven looked pleased. Seven बड़ा खुश हो गया कि उसकी तारीफ हो गई. His sister appreciated him. So now he said, "Ramesh told me that he takes." Here, who is he? Mr. Nath.
Mr. Nath.
No. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath. Here he is Ramesh.
Ma'am, Ramesh himself.
Ramesh himself, right?
Ramesh.
Yes. So Ramesh told Maya, means Seven, sorry. Ramesh told Seven that he took 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening, and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. So Ramesh also informed him that he was not very particular about what he eats. It's always the same food: 2 chapatis, some dal, and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. Okay. He also informed them that the meal remains the same: 2 chapatis, some dal, and a vegetable. and also he pays cash and tips well. Okay, tips well वो अच्छी टिप देता है. Ramesh told me something very strange, Maya. 7 added. Almost every Sunday, he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same man is with him each time. He is tall, fair, stout, and wears spectacles. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. So Ramesh told 7 something very strange. He is reporting everything to Maya. Okay. So 7 told something, means 7 added something else about him, that almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room. He carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same man is with him each time. He is tall, fair, stout, and wears spectacles. That man is tall, fair, stout मतलब थोड़े मजबूत शरीर वाला, stout, and wears spectacles. Spectacles means glasses. चश्मा पहनता है. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. And Ramesh also informed him that his visitor talked a lot. रमेश ने उसे और क्या बताया? That his visitor talked a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. ठीक है? Actually, Mr. Nath hardly speaks, means बहुत कम बोलते थे. And this visitor was completely opposite to him. Okay? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Well done, Nishad, I told him. This is all about Maya. Maya कह रहे हैं इसको. Well done, Nishad. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. Now, what did she say? She appreciated Nishad that he had done a good job and told him that they have made a good progress with their inquiries. They had inquired a lot, they had a good practice in their inquiries, and we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. And they had to sort out all the facts like expert detectives. What they have to do? They had to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that they can trap the crook. Crook मतलब पहले ही बता दिया तुमको, criminal. And they had to behave like expert detectives. How you do go on Maya 7's side? How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. Now see, exclamation sign. Whenever we read exclamation sign, our way of pronunciation should be different. Are you getting? So 7 7 replied with sadness, sighed. वो बोला, तुम्हें ये सब कैसे समझ में आ जाता? How do you go on? How you do go on? तुम ऐसा कैसे सोच सकती हो? How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? तुम सोच भी कैसे सकते हो कि वो एक crook है? He looks so ordinary. कितने simple दिखते हैं वो. Criminals can look quite ordinary, smarty. I retorted. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housekeeper in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man on the street. Nishad looked doubtful. Okay. Then Maya asked this Nishad that criminals can be very ordinary. Criminals don't have any special face, and even she used a special question. She asked him that, see the question, what was asked. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? कि क्या तुमने एक हैदराबादी हाउस ब्रेकर मतलब तो चोरी छुपे घर में घुस जाता है, उसका फोटो देखा ही न्यूज़पेपर में? He looked like any man in the street. Nishad looked doubtful. So he said that Nishad became very doubtful that a crook can be any man like any person in the street. But Mr. Nath looked like any man on the street. Means he was not having any purpose to doubt, anything that could go for a doubt for Mr. Nath. Anything, any behavior of his, okay? The monsoons broke the next day. Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury, flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. School was to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. I thought I would spend the time usefully and sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. The monsoon broke the next day. The heavy downpour started. The dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury. Okay? So, it could be seen, dark clouds could be seen by blinding flashes of lightning. Dark clouds and blinding flashes. इतनी तेज बिजली चमक रही थी, and the roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury. ऐसा लग रहा था कि बादल और तूफान सारा गुस्से में गरज रहे. Flooding the streets with heavy downpour. इतनी तेज बारिश हुई कि पूरी गलियों में पानी भर गया. School was to have reopened after the summer holidays, and all of you know that when our schools reopen in July, before few years, school used to reopen on in July only, at the beginning of monsoon season. Nowadays, we open the session or begin a new session in first week of April, but earlier it was in July. So it was the reopening time of schools after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads and there was an unexpected holiday. And children became very happy that the streets were so flooded and no traffic could move, and they got an unexpected holiday. I thought I would spend the time usefully. So I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. So he thought that he would spend some time usefully. He sat at his desk in the bedroom side with a sheet of paper before me. So he sat in his bedroom with a sheet of paper before him. Okay? Avika Surana? Isabella?
Yes, ma'am.
Why there is no other sound? Avika
Ma'am,
Surana?
what?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are able to hear you, but I don't think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine now. So I suppose that much part of the lesson is understood to you. So mark it here. It is page number 88. We have completed page number 88. Okay. So we will continue with the rest part of the lesson tomorrow. So prepare this lesson together well because it is appearing for your first test. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.